Share about biology, paper 3 core, October November 2019. Okay, please check it here. Question number 1, complete the sentences about the food and digestion using word from the list. Each word may be used one, more than one, or not at all. The blah blah blah, secret hydrochloric acid. There will be stomach. Okay, good job. And then the second one function of this acid in the body is to kill bacteria in the food. Most food that is eaten has to be digested before it can be absorbed by the body. Most chemical digestion is carried out by special protein called enzyme. One component of the diet that does not need to be digested is water. Okay, good job. Then number 2, table 2 lists some description of meiosis and mitosis. Complete table 2.1 by placing a tick in each box that is correct. Can result include? It is meiosis or mitosis? Mitosis. The nuclear division, it will be both, right? Occur in asexual reproduction, that will be mitosis. And then produce egg cell, here there will be mitosis and meiosis. And then replace the meat cell, there will be mitosis. Okay, then we continue question number 3. This question number 3. Okay, figure 3.1 shows a cross-section of fin, and figure 3.2 shows a longitudinal section of the fin. Describe the features visible in figure 3.1 and figure 3.2 which show that this blood vessel is a fin. So the first one will be, what do you think if it is fin? You see again the picture, it will be large. And then the second will be thin wall. And then the fourth is present, look at here. And then the vessel also flattened. And then the next number, this is you need to draw. And then we move to the next part. This one is 3B. So two group of students, A and B, investigated how running affected their pulse rate. There were 3 students, 1, 2, 3 in each group. They measured the pulse rate when at rest, then or run the same distance, and immediately measure their pulse rate again. So the result is shown below. And then it's A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, and B3. Okay. And group A at rest, group A after running, group B at rest. Yeah, it's the group B at rest, and then group B after running. Okay. Then suggest a method the student could use to measure their pulse rate. We can use finger, we can use the feelings, and then we can use the listening to heartbeat. And then the next one is calculate the average speed. And then the next one is state the effect of running on the pulse rate using the information in figure 3.t. It will be the pulse rate increase. Then 4 here, state which student had the greatest change in the pulse rate after running. So it will be student B1. And then 5, 3B5, describe the differences in data between group A and group B. Can you see here? Group A and group B. group A has higher resting pulse rate than group B. And then group B has higher pulse rate after exercise than group A. And then also group B has higher change in pulse rate after running than group A. And then C, describe and predict the changes that would occur in student breathing during the investigation, the increased rate of breathings, and also increased depth of breathings. Okay, let's move to number 4. Okay, this is number 4. Look at here, number 4. The boxes on the left contain the function of some plant cell structure. The boxes on the right contain the name of structure found in plant cell, and draw one straight line from each box on the left to a box on the right to link the plant cell function to the correct plant cell structure. Okay, then when we see here control cell activity, this will be the function of nucleus. And then control movement of chemical into and out of cell, this is the function of cell membrane. And then the next one is make glucose. Make glucose is a function of the chloroplast. Then the last one, prevent cell from bursting, so this is a function of cell wall. Okay, then the next number 5. So here's number 5. Okay, figure 5.1 shows the seed that has germinated. It is growing on a damp cotton wall in the duct in a vertical position. Look at here how they said experiment. And then the seedling was then rotated into horizontal position and kept in the duct as shown in figure 5.2. Okay. Complete figure 5.2 by drawing expected appearance of the root and seed after 5 in the duct. The root, they will grow downward, and the sod also they will go upward. State the name of the response in figure 5.2. This is gravitropisms. And then B, the leaf of seedling photosynthesis. State the word equation of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water, and they'll become glucose and oxygen. And then 5B2, chlorophyll has to be present for photosynthesis to take place. State the name of the mineral ion that plants need to make chlorophyll. Just remember about this, it will be magnesium. And then 5B3, state the name one of type of cell that carry out photosynthesis. So here will be spongy mesophile or palisade mesophile, but mostly in the palisade mesophile. Okay, and then this one's still number 5C. Look at here the experiment of photosynthesis. The rate of photosynthesis can be measured using the apparatus shown in figure 5.3. It's like source ruler to measure the distance of the light source from the plant. Okay, the faster rate of photosynthesis, the more gas bubbles are produced. Table 5.1 shows the result from an investigation using this apparatus. So look at here, describe the relationship between light and the rate of photosynthesis shown in table 5.1. So the answer will be increased light intensity and increased rate of photosynthesis. So the relationship is not linear. Rate of photosynthesis will have peak at 10 centimeter. And then the next number, state the factor other than light that will affect the rate of photosynthesis in this investigation. That will be temperature, carbon dioxide, number of chloroplasts, surface area, and the species of the plant. Suggest one use of glucose in a plant, there will be for respiration. Okay, thank you so much. We will continue for the next meeting. Bye.